For your dreams and wishes to finally come true, you simply have to. So you believe in your dreams, but no matter what, they just don't seem to come true. If this sounds familiar to you, then just keep watching the video and I'll explain to you how you can change this. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, and first of all, thank you so much for supporting me by watching this video. If you don't want to miss out on similar videos in the future, then make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Now, you have obviously seen the title of the video and you might have even wondered if I've lost my mind, and luckily I haven't, at least not yet. But anyways, let me explain to you what I mean by the title. So we all have dreams, right? And I mean, having dreams is a good thing because first of all, it enables us to think about what we really and truly want, and second of all, because it can also motivate us to do better. But here's the thing, dreams are called dreams for a reason, because they are meant to stay in our imagination. There's nothing wrong with having dreams. In fact, there are a lot of people out there who will truly tell you that their biggest dreams really came true. However, I think we can all agree on the fact that those kind of people are pretty rare to find. But now here's the question. Why is it working for them but not for you, no matter how hard you try? Now that's the first thing, trying hard. You can't really expect your dreams to come true and to manifest in your physical reality when you're constantly pushing on them to come true. Try not to force anything and it will happen much easier and way faster, I can guarantee you that. Now to answer the question why you shouldn't believe in your dreams. If there's belief, there's also always room for doubt, and if there's doubt, there's a disharmony between the mind and the heart, and exactly this disharmony will let you to struggle very hard and also to be upset a lot of the times, preventing your dreams from actually manifesting in your physical reality. To change this and to finally get what you have been dreaming of your whole life, you simply have to replace believing with knowing. Now here's what I mean by that. If you truly know something, your mind is presented with a fact which it can't really ignore, right? Because our mind always understands and accepts rational things. And if the mind really believes what your heart truly wants, harmony between those two is restored, allowing for your dreams to finally come true and to manifest in your physical reality. For example, you don't have to believe that you're watching this video right now, right? I mean, you just know it. It is a fact. You are watching the video right now. So for coincidences to happen in your life and for your dreams and wishes to finally come true, you simply have to know instead of believe. If you know something, you also don't have any feelings of pressure or anxiety, because knowledge is the foundation on which confidence is built. And here's an example. Back when I started with my agency, I really tried very hard to be successful with it, you know. I really forced myself into believing that eventually, like one day, someday in the future, I will see success, you know, I will be able to finally make money, to finally afford all those things that I always wanted to have, you know, to finally be able to travel and whatnot. But the thing is, I only really saw success, you know, like I only, you know, got my clients, my first clients, my first paychecks and whatnot, once I really understood, you know, like once I really knew that I am already a successful agency owner and that in fact I do already have a lot of dream clients. So to sum this video up, understand, like really understand that you are already the person you want to be and that you do in fact already have all those things you want to have, because once you really know and understand this, then you can really watch the magic happen and watch all those coincidences happen in your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like down below if you enjoyed watching it. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out on future videos exactly like this one. It really helps me out and I would be really grateful for your support. Have a wonderful day. Stay positive and see you next time. Bye bye.